In the world of rising costs, it's easy to think that you can save money by finding a will online and trying to do it yourself. But I'm here to tell you that they're not all what they are cracked up to be, and frequently you get what you pay for. So often I have people come to me to bring wills that were do-it-yourself, fill in the blank, or otherwise, and they don't contain the mandatory legal requirements and the legal language that's provided in the statutory probate code, making it a valid will. Even if it's a valid will, often the people who are filling out those documents don't understand the legal implications of what is being asked of them, and they make decisions that they had no intention to make. Just recently, I was probating a will in which the wife passed away and obviously believed that her husband automatically inherited her half of the community property of the home that they had shared for 30 years. Unfortunately, that is not the case in Texas. In order to have the 50% ownership vest in the surviving spouse, the will must say so. If you give your home to someone else, or say all of my assets go to my children, or all of the assets go to my best friend, now your spouse who's living in that community home shares ownership interest with a third party. A will is maybe the best investment to protect you, your assets, and your family from a difficult probate in a time that's already difficult because of your death. Please call Mundy Legal Services for a legal consultation. We're here to serve Texas families with their legal needs.